what's up, Mecha? A quick demo video for you for your brass flagship. You chose to leave the brass, just leave the flagship alone and let the brass do the talking on this guy. So this is just a nice, clean install. And I do think the brass looks really nice, you know, even when you don't etch it or do anything to it. I think you mentioned you might put a leather wrap on it. But this is a very sleek saber. It's very versatile. You know, a lot of people do a lot of different things with this guy. But sometimes to have it nice, simple, and clean is very nice too, right? This is a 2-button setup. So I gave you a gold switch right here. And then on the back here, 180 degrees from the switch, I put a little, it's a little hidden brass tactile. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. But that will act as your auxiliary switch. And then you've got CCSabers LED pixels in here for your main PCB. We want to take the handle off. On this particular chassis design, because you wanted the saber left alone, I went with a sleek and simple chassis as well. So just nice and smooth, simple like the saber, right? Installed with a Proffie V2, which is right here. You've got a removable battery system, so spring side over here is your negative, right? You've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker back here, so it sounds really good. You've got gesture control, so we'll throw a battery in it. Throw the handle on, just twist it on just like that. Twist off. We'll put a blade in. This takes a 1-inch diameter blade. Saber's not liking my blades today. Blade socket's a little tight. If you have a brand new blade, you're probably going to have to do some sanding to it. I'm not going to use your blade retention because that's super tight, but your blade retention is right there. So this is a fire blade. A little brass tactile in the back, remember, is your auxiliary. We can go to the next sound font.
I will give you so much more.
Now on this one, if you just swing the blade on, it comes right on. You got a nice unstable blade going on here. Twist off. But if you hit the activation button,
What could you give me?
you get the whole deal, right?
Everything.
You got battle mode. So when you hit the blade of the saber, works a little bit better when you have a full-length blade, but hitting the saber every time, you'll engage blade lock up, and it will stay like that until you pull away from it.
Teensy.
We'll skip over these stock fonts,
Smooth
but
Jedi.
they're on here for you.
Smooth. Smooth foe. Teensy. Smooth Jedi.
My battery meter, battery's almost dead. This is brand new. We're back to the fire font. If you hold your power down for 1 second and then let go, you get to your soundtracks on each font. And you do the same thing to turn it off. Hold the power button down for 1 second and let go, and it turns it right off. Nice and loud and crisp in there. And we'll take the blade out. So yeah, everything's working like it should. There's a copy of your config file on your SD card in case you want to make any changes to what I did. Let me pull this blade out real quick. This poor guy doesn't want to come out of here. Yeah, if you got a brand new blade, you're definitely going to be doing some sanding. No biggie though. So to get the battery out, what you want to do is we'll just unscrew the handle, obviously. Come up here from the positive side of the battery next to the speaker, and you can pull it out with your finger just like that. And then that's it, man. We'll throw the handle back on for safekeeping, and then you know, that's pretty much it. So let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.